My second question is, beloved Huzoor, expression of speech has changed over time, and what children might say now may be regarded as offensive to parents. What is your advice on this?
You see, we have to learn good morals. See? Whether you are speaking to your parents or to your siblings, to your other relatives, you should not leave the morals. And the moral says that regard the other persons, regard your elders, and regard your siblings as well. Be polite and kind to your siblings, to your friends, to your parents. Right? So if you are showing good morals, then it is Islamic way of bringing. You see, they say the freedom of speech does not mean that you start abusing somebody, or you, as it is said in the West, that here there is the freedom of speech and freedom of express your views. So you can you see and print the caricatures of some of the people and cartoons of the people. No. That is, these are not good morals, and they have double standards. Even then, when they printed the caricatures of the Holy Prophet ﷺ, they say now there is the freedom of speech and expression here, so nobody should stop him. When they printed the cartoon of the French president, then there was too much hue and cry. Why? It means they themselves believe that these are not morally good things, but for them they have different level of standard, and for the others different. Okay?
ठीक है, जज़ाकल्लाह, beloved Huzoor.